So today I just want to talk about our feed equipment at the big feedlot here. We got two feedlots, so this is the bigger of the two. The Challenger MT675D and the Supreme 1700. That actually we've only had that this first full day on it. So we had a 1400 before this, and we wore it out. It was time for liners. Two sets of screws, and then it was okay, time for liners. So not too bad. About 4.5 years out of it, so pretty good lifespan for the. It's a real dry, rough ration. It's real abrasive we feed out here. So yeah, 1700 triple screw. It's got the adjustable conveyor on it, which is pretty nice. We have two types of. We have bunks and then just flat. Flat feed bunks, and we have actual bunks, so you got to have the dog leg to get up into those. The old 675 here, we bought it used, dang near what, 3.5 years ago. Had 900 hours on it. It's a 2012, I believe, and as of now it's got 9,500 hours on it. So in 3.5 years. So been a pretty problem-free machine. Little things, fan clutch, def pump, a couple hydraulic leaks. Nothing big and crazy. So it was a deal. So that's why it's on this. But yeah, so I could we really like it for this mixer. Let's see, man. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We still have two 900s, and then this one. We've had a 1200 and a 1400. This one, but it was just time to go a little bit bigger. Cut down a few loads a day. So it's pretty. We like the Supreme because they're simple. Drive line in, a shear bolt, drive line out, all the way just to all three gearboxes there. No transmission, no hydrostats, nothing like that. So it's just simple, easy. I mean, hardly any ever problems. No problems with them hardly at all. So there's some stover. We chopped this fall after dry corn. Taking it out of the bag, feeding that. So that actually turned out pretty good. Packed real good in the bag, surprisingly. It was our first time ever chopping it. Put it in at about 50. Wow. It was kind of wet from the rain, but I think it went in at about 55% moisture. So back over to the old mixer. Got the magnets on the end. Those are gonna be pretty handy. So catch all the foreign material. You get it. It ends up in there. So while this was at the shop yesterday, I did the outside lights were burned out here, so went to Tiger Light, and they weren't listed for this tractor, but they're the same as the ones they have for the Case Magnum. The LED replacements are right there. And then Vision X. These ones were burned out, so he got some new lights here too. Oh yeah, I wouldn't, maybe a third of the time it's dark when he's feeding. So yep, it's kind of dirty. Well, it's winter time at a feedlot. It's gonna be dirty. So now some people are gonna go, hey, the face of your silage pile is kind of rough. Well, it pretty much feeds the face every day. So yeah. You can see through there. Yeah, maybe. Go over to this side. No, he went behind the pile there. There he is. 621G. I'll do a video on that. That's been a good loader. got we got 3 case loaders running around here. That one was new last year in February. It's got 3,200 hours on it. I think we got it with 22. So I'll do another video on that. I did a video on it when it was new last year, so do a little follow-up video on that one. So, but yeah, just a little, nothing crazy. Just a little walk around the feed equipment here. So it's massive. It's big. Let's go inside here. Oh. Triple screw. What's up? You know, we got a lot of flack for buying that tractor from other people. Well, what happened was there was a farm that bought 3 of them, and the dealer that supported them at the time, right there, I don't necessarily think it was the dealer. It was the store that was supposed to service them. Didn't want to service them. So they paid no attention to him. So that farm had him like what, a year and a half, and then just traded him in back to John Deere's. So there was 3 of them. They sat on the lot at the local Deere dealer for dang near what, 3 years, and cause this, you know, neighbors talk, and everybody's like, nope, no one to work on them. Well, Agri-Service out of Pasco, or Altopia at the time, they could work on it, and they work on all of our hay equipment. They service and sell the hay equipment. So we bought it, took a gamble on it. Well, I'll tell you what, it's been a really good tractor, and it was discounted to the point because no one, they were just sitting on it, so we were like, sure, we'll take it. So it's a really good tractor. I would buy another one. I would not be scared at the least to buy another one. So, yeah.